Welcome. In today's guide, you'll learn how to prevent WhatsApp from accessing your SMS messages. Taking control of your app permissions is a great way to boost your privacy and keep your personal data secure. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls to manage the permissions for every app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps, or it might be called App Management, on your device. This section lists all the applications installed on your phone. Look for WhatsApp in the list. Sometimes you can use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you've found WhatsApp, tap on it to open its app info page. Here, you'll see options related to storage, notifications, and, most importantly, permissions. Now, tap on Permissions. This menu shows you exactly what kind of access WhatsApp currently has on your device, such as your camera, contacts, and SMS. Find SMS in the list of permissions. If WhatsApp is allowed to access your SMS, you'll see it marked as Allowed. Tap on SMS and then select Don't Allow. This immediately revokes WhatsApp's ability to read or use your SMS messages. By following these steps, you're making sure that WhatsApp can't access your SMS for things like automatic verification or reading text messages. Keep in mind, turning off SMS permission might affect certain features, like automatic code detection during account setup, but your privacy will be enhanced. That's it. You've now successfully prevented WhatsApp from accessing your SMS messages. Remember, you can always return to the Permissions menu to adjust settings for any app whenever you want to take more control over your privacy. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide. If you found it helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to protect their privacy too. Stay safe, and see you in the next tutorial.